What if the best street photography camera isn't the one with the biggest sensor, or the fastest burst speed, or the longest list of specs? What if it's simply the one you actually want to carry? The camera that disappears in your hands? The one strangers barely notice? The one that's always ready when a once-in-a-lifetime moment appears and disappears just as fast? Today, we're counting down 5 cameras that street photographers can't stop talking about, from incredible budget-friendly options to premium dream cameras. And by the end of this list, you'll know exactly which one fits your shooting style. Let's get started. At number 5, the Fujifilm X-M5. If you think great street photography has to cost a fortune, this camera says otherwise. The X-M5 is incredibly small, lightweight, and easy to carry all day. Slip it into a jacket pocket or small bag, and you'll barely notice it's there. That's exactly what makes it such a great street camera. Unlike larger bodies, it never feels intimidating. It doesn't have a built-in viewfinder, but honestly, if you're used to shooting with your phone, composing on the touchscreen feels surprisingly natural. Inside, you get a sharp 24-megapixel APS-C sensor paired with Fujifilm's famous film simulations. That means rich colors, beautiful contrast, and photos that often look ready to share straight out of the camera. You even get crisp 6.2K open gate video. So, if you enjoy creating both photos and video content, it's an excellent bonus. For beginners, or anyone wanting a compact, everyday camera, the X-M5 is one of the best values available. Coming in at number 4, the Fujifilm GFX100RF. This camera almost sounds impossible. A medium format camera. Designed for street photography? Surprisingly, it works brilliantly. Fujifilm somehow packed a massive 102-megapixel sensor into a body that's still comfortable enough to carry around the city all day. Its fixed 35mm lens, equivalent to roughly 28mm on full frame, is ideal for capturing layered street scenes and environmental portraits. There are a couple of compromises. The lens is limited to f4, and there's no in-body image stabilization. So you'll want steady hands once the light starts fading. But during the day, the image quality is simply breathtaking. The detail, dynamic range, and tonal depth are on another level. Photos have an almost cinematic feel that few cameras can match. If you love making large prints or want every tiny detail preserved, the GFX100RF is something truly special. Now it's time for number 3, the Leica Q3. For many photographers, this is the dream camera, and for good reason. It combines a stunning 60-megapixel full-frame sensor with an exceptionally sharp 28mm f1.7 lens. The result? Images that look incredible in almost any lighting condition. One of its smartest features is Leica's digital crop mode. With the press of a button, you can switch between 28, 35, 50, and even 90mm framing. It feels like carrying multiple prime lenses without ever changing glass. Autofocus is fast, reliable, and excellent at tracking people on busy streets. That bright f1.7 aperture also helps keep images clean after sunset. Of course, premium performance comes with a premium price, but if image quality is your #1 priority, very few cameras can compete. Now for the runner-up, the Ricoh GR IIIx. This camera has earned almost legendary status among experienced street photographers. And once you see it, you'll understand why. It's genuinely pocket-sized, small enough to carry everywhere. Yet inside sits a large APS-C sensor capable of producing remarkably detailed images. Its 40mm equivalent lens offers a slightly tighter perspective than most street cameras. That encourages you to slow down, look closer, and focus on intimate moments instead of wide scenes. The built-in ND filter gives you extra creative control in bright sunlight. And with a startup time of around 0.8 seconds, and finally, the #1 spot, the Fujifilm X100VI. There's a reason this camera keeps selling out. Street photographers absolutely love it. Its 40-megapixel sensor delivers outstanding detail. The fixed 23mm f2 lens is incredibly sharp, and the nearly silent leaf shutter lets you capture genuine moments without drawing attention. That's a huge advantage when photographing real life. Another standout feature is the hybrid viewfinder. You can instantly switch between optical and electronic viewing depending on how you like to shoot. Add Fujifilm's outstanding film simulations, and many of your photos will need little to no editing. Yes, the fixed lens means there's no zoom. Sometimes you'll need to move your feet instead, so that's our list. 5 outstanding cameras. 5 completely different personalities, but one shared goal: helping you capture real moments before they're gone forever. Now it's your turn. Which camera would you choose for street photography? Let me know in the comments.